This video is going to show you how to tighten down the clasp on your adjustable stand-up paddle. Sometimes these two screws become loose, and when the clasp is closed, you're still going to get a little slippage in the clasp. No problem. The two screws are Allen wrench fitted. This is a fin key. You could also just use a standard Allen wrench, the smaller sizes. You can close the clasp so you can get an idea of how much tension you need to make it not slide around. Give it a couple turns, and there we go, nice and tight and adjustable. Off you go.